Hello student, I am Satish Jangid from Sri Digamal Institute of Technology Dosa in Civil Engineering Department, subject structure analysis. Today now I will be discuss on fixed beam with partially UDL acting on fixed beam. First, a fixed beam with UDL over a part length from one end, जैसा कि फिगर में दिया हुआ है कि दोनों एंड फिक्स हैं और उसके ए लेंथ पर एक स्मॉल डब्ल्यू किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर इंटेंसिटी का लोड एक्ट कर रहा है। टोटल लेंथ है एल। अब जो पार्शियली यूडीएल है इसका अपन उस मेथड से सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते। सबसे पहले अपन इसका एक स्टेप लेके उसका एरिया निकालेंगे और एरिया निकालने के बाद में उसके द्वारा जो मूवमेंट एक्ट कर रहा है इस पॉइंट पर उसका अपन क्या करेंगे, फिर उसका इंटीग्रेशन कर देंगे। तो इंटीग्रेशन करने के बाद में यहाँ से मैं बेंडिंग मोमेंट m1 एंड m2 फिक्स एंड मूवमेंट है जो आसानी से कैलकुलेट कर सकता हूँ। नाउ कंसीडर ए सेक्शन x, डिस्टेंस x फ्रॉम a, load acting on the elements, distance dx, then w into dx. Due to this element point load small w into dx, the friction moments at A and B, the moment direction at point A is anti-clockwise and at B is clockwise direction. Now dm1 equal to w dx into x, L minus x square upon L square, and dm2 equal to w dx w minus L minus x into x square upon L square. These are the A and this is the V. Now this is the V and this is the axis A. Then these formulas are come from the eccentric point load act on the fixed beam. Now total moment m1 at A. Integration of dm with 0 to A. Then wx L minus x whole square upon L square. Now w upon L square is constant, then 0 to L square plus L square x plus x2 minus 2lx d square dx. Now integrate this equation, then w upon L square is the common, L square x square by 2 integration of x plus integration of x cube x4 upon 4 minus integration of this 2l x cube upon 3, limit from 0 to a. Then w upon L square, put the value of a and 0 at x, L square a square upon 2 plus a4 upon 4 minus 2 LAQ upon 3. Then solve this equation. LCM taken 12, then WA square upon 12 L square, 6 L square plus 3 A square minus 8 L A. Similarly, total friction moment m2 at point B 0 to A, w dx L minus x square dx upon L square. The constant value w upon L square is taken outside from the integration. Then integrate of this function from 0 to L x square minus x square post close dx. Now integrate this equation, then L square integration is L cube upon 3 and integration of L cube is L to the power 4 upon 4. Put the limit from 0 to L, put the value of limit 0 or x by the point x. Then WAQ upon 12 L square 4L minus 3A 16.22 B equation. Now for the direction R1 taking moment over point B, thus summation MB equal to 0. We can consider this point as a simply supported beam. So we put the value of MB equal to 0. Then R1 into L plus M2 sign is clockwise and M1 minus M1 because M1 each movement is a anti-clockwise direction this sign. Then minus W into A into L minus A plus A by 2. R1 equal to 1 upon L M1 minus M2 plus WA L minus A by 2. Put the value of M1 and M2 from 16.22 equation A and equation B. Equation A and equation B. Put the value of M1 and M2. Then solve this equation is equal to WA 2L cube cosec A cube minus 2L square plus 2L cube. Similarly, taking moment about point A, then R2 equal to L plus M1 minus M2. A minus WA square upon 2 is equal to 0. Now from value put in equation this from equation 16.22a and 16.22 equation B, then solve this, then we finally get the value of R2 equal to WA cube upon 2L cube cosec 2L minus A. For special cases when A equal to L, then UDL over the whole span, then put the value of A equal to N, then M1 equal to WL square upon 12, then M2 equal to WL square upon 12. This sign is taken in clockwise direction and M1 is taken in anti-clockwise direction. But we take the movement sign, clockwise movement is taken positive and anti-clockwise movement is taken negative. So R1 equal to WL by 2 and R2 equal to WL by 2. This result match with the result of the standard case. When A equal to L by 2, then UDL over left half span, then M1 equal to WL upon L by 2 whole square, and 6L square plus 3 L by 2 square minus 8L into L by 2. Then finally we get equation this 11 upon 192 WL square. Next M2 W upon 12L square into L by 2 cube into 4L minus 3 L by 2. Then the value find out moment at point B equal to 5 upon 192 WL square. These cases are remember because in fixed beam or continuous beam, when we analyze continuous beam, then we require of these values and UDL cases and eccentric point loaded. Now the reaction at point A, R1 equal to W upon 2L cube into L by 2 cosec L by 2 का cube minus 12 upon L by 2 square plus 2L cube. Now 13 upon 32 WL, which is the standard case, and R2 equal to W2L cube upon L by 2 का whole cube into 2L minus L by 2. Then finally R2 equal to 3 upon 32 W into L. Now next case when UBL intensity load act on the fixed beam. A fixed beam with triangular load having zero intensity at one end and small W kilonewton density at the other end. जैसा कि एक फिक्स बीम डायग्राम में दी हुई है जिसका ए और बी एंड क्या है फिक्स, और ए पॉइंट पर लोड इंटेंसिटी है 0 और बी पॉइंट पर लोड इंटेंसिटी स्मॉल w। अब देखिए यहाँ से सबसे पहले अपन फिक्स एंड मोमेंट m1 एंड m2। m1 इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, m2 इज द क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन। टोटल लेंथ l है आपकी। एक सेक्शन कंसीडर करेंगे x डिस्टेंस पर पॉइंट ए से जिसकी थिकनेस है dx और जिसका वो लोड इंटेंसिटी ऑर्डिनेट है वो है आपका wx। देन एरिया ऑफ दिस स्मॉल स्ट्रिप इक्वल टू wx इंटू dx। Consider a section x, distance x from a intensity of loading at x, w into x upon L. Hence, point of load dw acting on the element at distance dx is dw equal to w upon L x into dx. This value is calculated from the similar triangle rule. Fixed end moments due to this element load are given by dm1 equal to w upon lx dx into x l minus x col square upon l square. This formula applied by the standard eccentric load case, then wx square into l minus x col square dx upon l cube. Similar dm2 equal to w upon l x dx into x square l minus x upon l square, then wx cube upon l cube l minus x into dx. This a is the value of this and l minus x is the value of this portion. Now total m1 equal to integration from 0 to l wx square upon l cube constant l minus x whole square dx. Then we integrate of this equation, limit 0 to l, constant w upon l cube is taken outside from the integration part, then integration of 0 to l lx square x square plus x4 minus 2 lx cube into dx. Now integration of this equation and put the value of x equal to l and x equal to 0. Then we calculate of this equation. Finally we get the fixed end moment at point A equal to WL square upon 30. Similarly we calculate at moment point B, total M2 equal to 0 to L Wx x cube upon L cube from this equation, and L minus x into dx equal to constant W upon L cube 0 to L Lx cube minus x4 into dx. Then integrate of this equation and put the value of x 0 to L. Finally bending moment at point B equal to WL square upon 20. For the reaction R1 and R2, we will take the moment about point A and B. First, taking moment about point B, summation MB equal to 0, then R1 into L plus M2 minus M1 minus WL square upon 6. From which R1 equal to 1 upon L WL square upon 30 minus WL square upon 20 plus WL square upon 6 equal to 3 upon 20 W into L. Similar summation M equal to 0, then R1 into L plus M2 minus M1, M1 minus M2 minus WL square upon 3. From which R2 equal to 1 upon L M2 minus M1 plus WL square upon 3. Put the value of M1 and M2 from this and this. Then finally the reaction at point B, R2 equal to 7 upon 20 W into L. Now next case, a fixed beam with triangle loading for a given distance from one end. As shown in the figure, a fixed beam, a length A at the UBL load from A to C. At point C, load intensity is small w kilonewton. At point A, load intensity is 0. Then we will solve this problem by previous numerical. Hence, a fixed end moments due to dW load are given by dm1 equal to w upon ax dx into x upon L square L minus x का whole square. WAX dx is the load intensity at point this, and this length is L minus A, and at point where strict load is considered, the length of right side portion is L minus x and the length of left side portion is x. Then x is as a and L minus x as a b. Then the bending moment at point A equal to W A V square upon L square. Similarly, at point B, fixed end moment is equal to W A square V upon L square. Then A equal to x and B equal to L minus x. Then dm2 equal to W upon A x dx into x square into L minus x upon L square. Now total moment m1 equal to 0 to L, and integrate of equation first, then put the value of 0 to A and we get final solution m1 equal to WA square 30L square into 10L square plus 6A square minus 15LA. Similar total moment at point B, m2 equal to 0 to A, WAQ AL square L minus x into dx. Integrate from 0 to L, and finally we get fixed end moment at point B, m2 equal to WAQ upon 20L square 15L minus 4A. For reaction R1, taking moment about point B, hence R1 into L plus M2 minus M1 plus minus 1 by 2 AW into L minus 2 by 3A equal to 0. Then R1 equal to put 1 upon L M1 minus M2 plus AW कोष्टक 3L minus 2A कोष्टक clause upon 6. Then finally put the value of M1 M2 and we get reaction at point A R1 equal to WA square upon 16L cube into 20L square plus 24A square minus 45LA plus AW 6L into 3L minus 2A. Similarly, reaction at point B, then taking moment about point A, R2 into L plus M1 minus M2 minus 1 by 2 AW into 2 by 3A equal to 0. Then R2 equal to 1 upon L M2 minus M1 plus WA square upon 3. Then put the value of M1 and M2. Then finally we get the reaction at point B, R2 equal to WA square upon 60L cube into 45LA minus 20L square minus 24A square plus WA square upon 3L. Special case when A equal to L, then triangle load over the whole span, then M1 equal to WL square upon 30 and M2 equal to WL square upon 20. Similar reaction at point A and at point B, R1 equal to 3 upon 20 WL and R2 7 upon 20 W into L. Now next case, a fixed beam with triangular load having maximum intensity at the mid span and 0 at the both ends. As shown in the figure, at point A and B, load intensity is 0 and at point C, load intensity is small w and friction moment at M1 equal to N, M and M2 equal to M because this structure is symmetric. As shown in the loading diagram, we case of symmetric, then M1 equal to M2 equal to M. Then R1 equal to R2 equal to WL upon 4. At any section x distance from the A point, then Wx equal to W upon L by 2 into x. Then Wx equal to 2W upon L into x. For the portion AC of the beam, we have EI d2 by dx with double integration method equal to minus mx m minus w L upon 4 into x plus 1 by 2w L upon x into x by 3. Then integrate this equation. We find the equation next. EI d by dx equal to mx minus WLX square upon 8 plus WX4 upon 12L. Now again integrate EIY equal to MX square by 2 minus WLX upon 24 plus WX to power 5 upon 60L. Due to symmetry, d by dx x equal to 0 and x equal to L by 2. Then this equation is equal to 0. Then we finally get the bending moment M equal to 5 upon 95 WL 96 WL square. Thus the reaction component at the ends are completely known. For deflection at mid span, put x equal to L by 2 in equation 3rd along with the value of M. Then EIYC equal to 5 upon 96 WL square into 1 by 2 L by 2 का whole square minus WL upon 24 and L by 2 का cube plus W upon 60L into L by 2 की power 5. Then solve this. Finally we get 7 upon 3840 WL P power 4. Finally deflection is calculated YC equal to 7 upon 3840 EI. Thank you.